Hello, kids. Today I am going to start with the third chapter of computers from book number 3. The name of the chapter is Using a Computer. So, here is the chapter. Here in your book, first starter question is given for you. Take the correct option by which we can turn on an electric bulb. On left hand side, we can see the remote of the video game. Second picture is of a switch button through which we can switch on or off. Third one is the key through which we can lock or unlock. On the right hand side, we can see the picture of the bulb. So can anyone tell me out of these through which we can switch on or off the bulb? Yes, what you are thinking is correct. It is the switch button through which you can switch on or off the electric bulb. Now moving towards the chapter, let us now learn how to switch on and switch off a computer system. Just like other machines, computer needs to be handled with care. Full stop. If we do not turn on the computer on and off properly, it may get damaged. So as you know, in your earlier chapter, I told you that computer is an electronic man-made machine. So it means to run the computer we need electricity. Starting a computer. For starting a computer, we have to follow these steps given below. The first step, switch on the main power button. Here in the given picture, you can see the kid is switching on the power button so as to start the computer. Second step, then switch on the UPS of your computer. Here in the picture you can see the kid is switching on the UPS. Step 3. Now it's time to switch on the CPU or the system unit. As you know, CPU is the brain of the computer. Here in the picture you can see the kid is switching on the CPU, the brain of the computer. Moving to the next step, next switch on the monitor of the computer. There is a button on the computer monitor which you have to push inside and it will switch on. Here in the picture you can see the kid has pushed the button to switch on the monitor. You will notice that the computer will take some time to open and a circle is moving next to the mouse arrow. When you switch on the monitor, you can see a circle on your monitor with the arrow mark nearby it. It means that the computer is preparing itself to get ready. You have to wait then, and that process is known as booting when computer is preparing itself to get ready. After booting, generally the following screen appears on the monitor, which you can see here on the right hand side. So generally you will get this screen on the monitor. And this screen is called the desktop. The desktop contains small pictures. These pictures are called icons. Icon represent programs, games or other files or folders on the computer. We can directly open the program through the icons by only clicking on it, on which we want to work on. Is it clear to you? Now here I will show you few examples of icons. This is all for today. And now I would like to summarize everything we have studied today. Computer is an electronic machine, so you all should switch on and off the main power button under adult supervision. Steps to start a computer. First step, switch on the main power button. Second step, switch on UPS, which is an electric battery which provides emergency power when main power fails. Clear? Then switch on CPU. central processing unit. And last one, switch on the monitor.
After you switch on the monitor, you can see a moving circle next to the mouse arrow, which shows that the computer is preparing itself to get ready. And this process is known as booting.
Once the booting is over, you can see a screen appears on the monitor. This screen is called the desktop. Here you can see, and it contains small icons which represents programs, games or other files. So that is all for today. Rest of the chapter I will explain you in the next video. Goodbye.